If you run a repair shop and you're relying only on word of mouth, you're leaving serious money on the table. Today, I'm going to show you how online marketing can help you maximize opportunities, attract more customers, and grow your repair business consistently. Online marketing isn't just for big brands. In fact, repair shops are perfectly positioned to win online because people search for repairs when they need help right now. The key is showing up at the right time, in the right place. First, focus on local visibility. Make sure your Google business profile is fully optimized with accurate hours, photos of your shop, and up-to-date services. Encourage happy customers to leave reviews. This builds trust and helps you rank higher in local searches. Next, your website should work like a 24/7 salesperson. It doesn't need to be fancy, but it must be fast, mobile-friendly, and clear about what you repair, where you're located, and how customers can contact you. Adding basic SEO, like service pages for specific repairs, helps you capture high-intent searches. Social media is another huge opportunity. Share before and after repairs, quick tips, and behind-the-scenes content. This builds credibility and keeps your shop top of mind. Finally, consider running targeted local ads. Even a small budget can drive calls from people actively searching for repairs. When done right, online marketing turns your repair shop into the obvious choice. Start small, stay consistent, and watch those opportunities roll in.